Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to the Polymer Update Daily News Shorts. This is Neeraj Rawal from the Polymer Update Mumbai office. This newsreel is sponsored by Polymer Exchange, the world's first mobile application which makes buying and selling of polymers simple. To know more, visit your App Store or the Google Play Store and download this dynamic trading tool now. The application is available free for download, but not for long. Take advantage of this free offer today. Crude oil prices edged higher last Friday, while WTI traded at US dollars 53.40, up 4 cents per barrel. Brent finished at 55.81, up 16 cents per barrel. Prices gained as OPEC said the cartel could extend a 6-month deal to cut supply or make more severe cuts if oil stocks fail to drop by around 300 million barrels to the 5-year average. Despite a rise in upstream crude, open spec naphtha prices were assessed lower last Friday at the US dollars 517 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels, a fall of US dollars 9 per metric ton from last Thursday. Last week, propylene and ethylene prices witnessed a sharp rise in Asia. Propylene prices last Friday were assessed at US dollars 1025 per metric ton CFR China levels, a sharp week-on-week increase of US dollars 45 per metric ton. Ethylene prices were at the US dollars 1380 per metric ton CFR Northeast Asia levels, a spike of US dollars 85 per metric ton from the previous week, while prices were assessed at US dollars 1150 per metric ton CFR Southeast Asia levels, a sharp week-on-week increase of US dollars 50 per metric ton. Reports of continued tight product availability and strong demand trends pushed prices higher across the Asian region. Styrene monomer prices meanwhile drifted lower last week, falling by US dollars 30 per metric ton to US dollars 1450 per metric ton FOB Korea levels. The price fall was in line with weaker upstream benzene rates coupled with higher SM inventory levels in key markets like China. Last week in India, Formosa Taiwan offered PVC resin suspension grade at the US dollars 1010 per metric ton levels on a CIF Nhava Sheva port basis for shipment in March 2017. The producer is heard to have sold out the allocated quantity owing to strong demand in India. Meanwhile, in China, the producer has concluded several deals for PVC resin suspension grade at the US dollars 950 per metric ton levels CFR China main port basis for shipment in March 2017. Polymer Update is South Asia's first petrochemical market intelligence platform. Over the past 17 years, the company has helped create benchmark price assessments for various commodity polymers. Polymer Update's proprietary methodology is widely respected and has built a strong enough credibility to help several thousand industry leaders make business critical decisions on a daily basis. Feedback shows that most of Polymer Update subscribers save large amounts of money while basing their decisions on the intelligence we provide. To get real-time polymer prices and daily news updates, subscribe to Polymer Update today. This is Neeraj Rawal from the Polymer Update Mumbai office. Thank you.